Most soldiers are used to a certain kind of food in the dining facility, but
this will be nothing that they see in the defect.
two teams of food service specialists from the 3rd Combat Aviation Brigade brought their culinary A game to the first ever Marne Air Iron Chef Championship on Fort Stewart.
We want to highlight the soldiers from our DFAC. You know, our cooks are often some of the hardest working soldiers and least recognized.
The first step to overcome was the setting.
And we quickly realized that the way to do this is let's train as we fight, and let's put them in the tool that the Army provided, which is fantastic for this particular competition.
But the real challenge, making 3 different dishes, and each one had to contain 2 special ingredients unveiled at the start of the competition.
Today what we did is we unveiled root beer and peaches. Peaches because we're down here in South Georgia, and root beer because pretty much my wife said that should be the ingredient.
I wasn't too worried about the peaches, but the root beer, I was like, oh my goodness.
Once the shock wore off, these experts used their skills and creativity to pull it all together.
I was gonna use oranges for my sauce, but I just replaced it with peaches, so that was pretty easy. With a gastric, you can put any fruit with that sauce to make it out of whatever you want.
With a tent full of happy and full soldiers,
And that was probably the best meatball I've ever tasted.
the winning team by 2 points.
The winning team from 317 Cav, 56 points.
Reporting from Fort Stewart, Sergeant First Class David Wheeler, 3rd Infantry Division, Public Affairs.